Hey, it's Jacob. Welcome to this new video. And today I wanted to talk about how to get started in AI when you don't have any programming background or AI background. So no AI background. Let me emphasize that because that's really the point of this video. You don't need to have an AI background in order to do that because that is what I did. This is who I am, right? I do not have any AI background, and I did work as a freelancer, as an engineer in AI, as an AI expert. Even though, like, I don't know what AI was. Like, I have no formal like training in AI. I don't know anything about I don't know, like all the math or all of the different the weird algorithms about like AI algorithms. I have no idea what any of that means, and I didn't need it, quite frankly. And it was like a real like something that I actually used in order to move faster than most people, because most people have like the educational background, and that is very academic, but that's actually a hindrance when you're doing actual work, because like people don't really care about like your algorithms that you know how to do. All they care about is whether or not you can solve the problem, and that is through experience, through actually doing and solving problems. And that's really like what I want to talk about here. Like for me, I just want to emphasize I have like an electrical engineering background which has nothing to do with AI. And so this is really like something that you want to keep in mind. I'm not just saying like this is you can do it because you can do it, like just people say that sometimes, like I'm sure you can do it, you can make it. It's like, no, I did it and I didn't have anything at all. I didn't know anything at all. So you can do it because I did it and I didn't have that background either. So then maybe you can ask like, so just if you want to be part of my contact and get exclusive content from me, you can click on the link in the description, and I'll give you like regularly like free content. So when now that you know that I don't know anything about AI and I just learned like right off like on while doing it, while like being paid for it, why should you listen to me now? Well, because I learned it recently. And the thing is, if you are learning it from an expert that has like 10 years of experience and that hasn't learned it recently, you're gonna learn about like all of those things that don't matter. All of those algorithms here, let me clear that up. You're gonna learn about the algorithms, the math, I don't know, the data science, the statistics, Bayesian statistics or whatever it is. They're gonna teach you about all of that. And it's gonna take like however long it took for those people, right? So on average, it's about like 5 years or something. It took me a few months for me because I didn't need any of that. Like I didn't learn any of that. You don't need it in order to get started. If you want to get started, you can just like start doing it and then reverse engineer how to do it and move forward and keep working and do a lot of trial and error, and then you're gonna make it. Of course, like there were tons of strategies that I've applied and that I've learned like through my engineering career. So I know like the type of errors that are gonna like that I didn't want to that I wanted to avoid making, right? And I'm going to talk about that in the other videos. Like there are tons of things that can like make you move forward a lot faster. But learning math and not knowing math and not knowing about data science or statistics is not one of them. It's not an error to not know about those things. That's not part of the thing that is going to slow you down. There are tons of other things that are going to slow you down, not that. Now, maybe you can ask like, so why didn't you pursue like a freelancing career if you could make it then? That might seem like something really good, you know. And yeah, sure, I could have done that, and I could have made like money from like just doing the freelance career job. And I mean, yeah, it's kind of like it's a really really good way to work in AI if that's what we want to do, right? And of course, and I agree, like that is really fun. That was really cool. I liked it, quite frankly. But like my strength is not in like doing that. My strength is in education, and I don't really. This is really like what I feel like I can bring a lot of things to the table compared to other people. Because as I said, like if you're gonna look at like the most people that are learning it, they have an AI background. And that's really the type of thing where I'm different because I just learned it. And because I just learned it, I know what not to learn. And that's really like the type of thing that I think could really bring value to you and to other people, right? Basically, like a lot of people that are teaching that are academics because they have a formal background, and that formal background, most of it, there are some of those things are needed and some of them are not needed. So because I'm a lot more like of a practitioner, and I don't really care about like just learning for learning, I don't really have a nerdy approach, then I feel like I can really help you with moving forward a lot faster, basically. So that's kind of like the reason why I wanted to make that video. I just wanted to make it clear that, you know, I want to be transparent with you. I don't want to pretend that I'm an AI expert, that I've done this for like years and years and years. That's not the case. But at the same time, if that's what you want to do, if you are non-technical and you want to move forward and get started, it doesn't have to take years and years and years. And I'm not just saying that, I also did that. So yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you in this video. So if you want to be part of my contact, click on the link in the description again so that you'll get exclusive content from me, and see you in the next video.